Welcome to our second video in our Big Data series, Deliver a Personalized Service. As you may recall from our first video, we described a big data architecture designed to improve the customer experience. And this architecture leveraged Oracle's Big Data platform, including the Oracle Big Data Appliance, Oracle Exadata, and Oracle Exalytics. Now, one of the key aspects to improving the customer experience is to deliver a service that will be compelling to your customer and will keep them engaged. In our case, this service is a movie streaming site known as Oracle Movieplex that is delivering targeted movie offerings based on a customer's viewing history and their current session. Now, let's take a look at the Oracle Movieplex application. I think you'll find that although we're talking about movies, you can apply the same principle to many different domains. I'd like to quickly acknowledge two partners who provided data for the demonstration. The first is the Internet Movie Database, or IMDb, who provided the movie content, including actors, genres, plot summaries, etc. In addition, I'd like to thank the Movie Database, or TMDB, for providing the images that you'll see around the movies. And finally, just to highlight, all the customer information and session details that you see as part of the demonstration are completely fictitious. I've already logged into the Oracle Movieplex, and the first thing you notice is the pane of movies that I'm currently watching. Apparently, I have a short attention span, so I leave lots of them unfinished. I also see here all the movies I've recently browsed. These are examples of personalization. The application is populating the screen based on my interactions. And you can see the same process on many websites. For example, every shopping site will show you stuff that you've recently looked at. Right at the bottom of the screen, you can see what I've watched and actually finished recently. And you can see how I rated the movie. As with all movies, you can click on it and pull up the synopsis. You can see the cast, the director, and the various writers. But it's more than remembering what you've just done. If we scroll back up, you can see that the application is also recommending some different movies and genres that I might like to see. It's doing this based on the ratings I've given, what I've watched, and also what people similar to me have done. This requires a bit more work behind the scenes, and we'll show you how that is done. Finally, let's go back to the top of the screen and look at movies based on your current mood, just by clicking this one button. Even if you have relatively consistent taste, things could be different each time you log in. You'll be interested in different movies if you're watching alone, or with a significant other, with your kids, or with a large group of friends. The application can start to figure out what you are interested in now, as opposed to in general, and recommend something that might be better suited for your current mood. So we've seen how making the right offers at the right time can greatly improve the likelihood for success. Another key to success for any high-volume service is to deliver information economically and with minimal latency. In our next segment, we will start to take a behind-the-scenes look at how Oracle Movieplex accomplished this using Oracle's Big Data platform, managing online profiles that contain critical information used to drive the site, including movie recommendations, browse lists, user properties, and more. Thanks for listening.